Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I want to talk about the most common issue with the Tesla, especially Model S. The first production around 2013, 2014 and 15. They had some common issue that I want to show you guys. The first one, this one I have 2013 Model S, it's 85. And as you guys can see, when you lift the trunk, start leaking water. This is the water leak. It's leaking, and mostly leaking from right there, the door handle and the trunk button. And that leak comes from the gate. And this is not something you can fix. Some of the seals are leaking, you can fix it, but some of them, it has a problem. Factory problem is not fixable by us. And there's another thing, it's common issue. It's a door handle. Sometimes it's not extracted, it doesn't come out, or sometimes just go in and out by itself, it goes bad. This is the most common issue with the Tesla Model S, especially the one has a door handle, the chrome one. And we offer the repair for this one. We can change the whole things, or we can repair it, we can fix it, and it becomes very cheaper than the factory. And there's another problems with this Model S. The one in the back, the white one 2014 has a screen, the cluster is leaking. This one has a main screen, the MCU is leaking. As you see guys, this is a liquid is leaking inside, and this one need to be replaced, the screen, and this one, if it's leaking, need to be replaced. We offer all of those services. We do brakes, rotors, but as you guys know, the Tesla does not need the brake pads and rotors as often as the other cars like gas engine, but we offer those services. We offer the MCU, ECU, and the cluster screen replacement, 12-volt battery replacement, and other things. And if you guys have any question, you can contact us. Go to our website and book your appointment, and we can come to your home and fix your Tesla. Some of the repair and it can be done at your place, or some of them you need to bring it to the shop. We can take care of it. And for any question, any concern, just you can go out, check out our website. It's www.cartechga.com. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.